How to install Xbox application in Google Play Store. First of all, you have to launch your Google Play Store in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're here, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar from the top and in the search bar, search for Xbox app. After that, you will have Xbox in your interface. Tap on it to view more information regarding the application. So you can scroll down a bit and see all the informations, ratings and reviews of the application. Once done, if you want to install it, tap on install button. And then depending upon your internet connection, it will take some time to install the application. After that, you can open up the application once the installation is complete. So that's how you can install Xbox application in Google Play Store, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.